This is not cutting it.
You ready?
Ready.
Let's do it. Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella.
And I'm your girl Angela.
And today, guys, we got an amazing video for you. We are doing Angela's bedroom, right?
Yep.
As you saw from the beginning of our video. Okay, it is Sunday morning. So Angela and I made some hot chocolate. We are going to put a Christmas movie on and we are going to decorate this room, right?
Yes.
Yes. And Angela's room is, should we show them the room before?
Yeah.
We should? Okay.
Yeah.
Angela will show you her room before.
It's not very decorated.
I think it's okay. She's going to show you her room, the before, and I'm going to go down in the basement and get some bins and some stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, this is just a quick overview. Angela loves horses. Her bedroom's pretty neutral. I mean, we could have done more decor in here, but, you know, our bedrooms always get put to the side. I don't know why. She's got a brand new TV, so she's really happy with that. And we've already put up the tree. So I think it's time to let's start getting decorating. What do you guys think? Okay, friends, we started with making Angela's bed because we thought that's the kind of the center point of, you know, the bedroom. Anyways, the bed is always the biggest thing. I showed this bedding in a shopping haul that I did. I bought it off of Wayfair. It was only $31. I mean, I couldn't believe it. It is pretty good quality for $31. You cannot go wrong. It's off of Wayfair. I know it was sold out when I last looked for it because I thought maybe I could get one for my bedroom or the guest room, but it is sold out. So, if I find the link and it's not sold out, I'll leave it down in the description box. If not, keep checking Wayfair. You can find similar ones. As you can see here, we just added this red and black buffalo plaid runner, and it's got deer and fur on it. I'm pretty sure I got this at, you know, TJ Maxx or something. And guys, I didn't really buy anything new for her room. This is all stuff that I used in the house previous years. So this was the great part. The only brand new thing is the bedding, and I think that that was a very good thing. Okay, now we're finally going to start working on the tree, and I'm going to give you a tip. I really did not want to spend any money whatsoever. So when you see me, when I'm going to start doing the ribbon, this is cream burlap ribbon from fall. I had bought it in the fall and I never used it. And then I just doubled it with this thinner ribbon that I had from Hobby Lobby from last year. It's a plaid ribbon. It's very pretty. You'll see it when we cut close up. And I'm doing my trick here. I'm using the green wire that I always use. And I'm just using everything I have. Even the ornaments, these ornaments that we had, I've had them for years. Most of them are from the Dollar Tree, actually, except for some red balls. Other than that, I think it turned out really good. Wait till you see it all done. It actually looks really nice. You know what was the best part of doing this bedroom? with me and Angela is we got to spend time together, and we were talking and goofing around and watching our movie and just, having a kind of relaxing Sunday. But this is what memories are made of. Oh, wait till you see this. Now, I had let Angela decorate her room. Guys, I'm trying to put up garland on the top of her bed. It's not working out. She hands me these ornaments, and we have 2 of them. And I said, oh, well, let's hang them here. So I realized once I put the ornament on this and I try putting it back up, there is like 10 different nails back there. And these things are all crooked. And I'm thinking, what? How come I didn't notice this before? So I was kind of making fun of her. I thought, okay, well, A for effort, but they're really crooked. Anyways, I fixed them. So here she is putting a little last garland on around her horse picture above her bed. It just looks so pretty. So I'm going to give you a tour of the room now. Okay, my sweet friends, let's go in. I know that most of you have seen this wreath. I absolutely love it. I think it's a perfect addition for her bedroom door. Her room turned out so cute. It is just perfect for a young lady transitioning from a child to a lady, because I think she can keep this bedspread for many years to come. It is a queen size, so she will have it for years and years and years to come. And we just added touches everywhere. I mean, we put garland around her horse paintings, and I just think it looks so cute. The tree turned out so perfect. The ribbon really turned out really, really nice this year. I'm really happy with it. I'm telling you guys, I didn't spend a dime, not a dime. This is all things I had. That cream burlappy ribbon was from the fall from Michael's, and I just paired it with this ribbon that I had from last year from Hobby Lobby, and I think it just turned out really cute. Really, really cute. I'm really happy with it this year. And all the ornaments you see on this tree are from the Dollar Tree. Guys, how cute is this sign? That's from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? I had it down in my boxes, and it just worked out so perfect with her wood looking mirror and this little garland. I just love it. I think her room turned out super, super nice this year. This is my favorite shot. You can see the tree, the mirror, the bedding. It's just perfect. And by the way, if you're wondering, those 2 buffalo plaid red pillows, they're pillow covers from Amazon. And the nice pillow, it says nice on one side and naughty on the other. That's from TJ Maxx, just in case. Okay, my sweet peeps, so that's the end of the video. That was a great video. What do you guys think? Great video, right? So much fun. I had so much fun doing it with my daughter. And, I wanted to for sure come on here on a Monday and wish you all a happy Monday, a happy, prosperous week ahead. Remember, Monday is my favorite day of the week. If you're new here and you're probably wondering, what? Monday is my favorite day of the week. It is declaring The sun is out today. It is a gorgeous, beautiful day. Things are looking up. I think this week is going to be filled with magic and miracles. It is the Christmas season, so you never know what's around the corner. Anyways, this week on Friday, I will have up my official home tour, my 2020 full home tour. I cannot wait to show you everything, how it all flows together and how the house looks. It's wait till you see it. Just wait till you see the whole house. So I really urge you to come back. But before I do that, on Wednesday, I have a great video for you guys. I have it pieced together, but I'll see you on Wednesday like I always do. But wait till you see that. You don't want to miss that DIY. I am telling you, this is a DIY that would cost you hundreds and hundreds of dollars if you were to buy it. So you don't want to miss that one. That one for sure you don't want to miss. Anyways, make sure you have your bell on. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up because it helps my channel grow. And I'm really, really trying to grow my channel. So anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic week ahead. And I will see you on Wednesday. Do something you love today. Be positive. Declare, declare, declare. And I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody. Mwah. Bye, guys. Your girl Bella.
And I'm your girl Angela.
And today, guys, we have an amazing, amazing episode for you. Stop bouncing.